Hi cats! I received a box from Deck of Scarlet, and they are a palette subscription box company. It looks to me like mostly eyeshadow palettes, although they do have some boxes with lip colors. But this is it. They just sent this to me. Deck of Scarlet. Meet Belle Jorden, our artist-in-chief for this season. Super edgy and utterly creative. British beauty Belle Jorden is all about heavy metallics, pigments that pop, and plenty of sparkle. And it goes on to describe her. So you choose from a list of designers, of creators of these palettes. And yeah, so this was, I guess, deeper shades with more metallics, and it says that it has everything you need to create your look in it. So wow, what is this? Looks, yes, this is, it's called Sexy AF Mascara. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, so when 1 year subscription, check your best looks, share your best looks on Instagram and tag at Deck of Scarlet or hashtag Scarlet Looks. Okay, so I'm detaching the palette. And these subscription boxes, I believe, are $29.99 per month. That's the outer jacket, and it says it's edition number 9. Handwritten in, I think it's just made to look like it's handwritten. I don't think it's really handwritten. So here, wow, this is cool. So it has a bottom flap that opens separately. And it has this top flap here that opens. It's got a mirror, that's nice. Okay, so it has Tempting and Passion. Those look like the lip colors. Okay, so, oops. So it looks like kind of a coral neutral, or yeah, sort of more of a nude. And then below there's sort of a fuchsia one called Passion. And the Whisper to me look like either contour and highlighter or blush and highlighter. So it looks like a gold highlighter, and the more brownish one, terracotta meets brownish one, could be like a contour or a blush possibly. And then up above there's Supernova, Crush, and Drama, which are the eyeshadows. So Supernova is a sparkly amethyst. Looks like if you hold it in the right light, there's quite a bit of gold in it. Crush is like a maroon burgundy color like that. And then Drama is sort of a dark olive. Okay. I will see what can be done with those colors. Putting on the makeup in a separate video. Okay. Alright, cats. Thanks for watching.